inspire education. Today we are going to see what a continuation diamond pattern is. As one can see in the chart is forming a continuation diamond pattern. This pattern is considered a bullish signal indicating that the current uptrend may continue. That means ये continuation pattern है, ये जो existing trend है उसके continuation का confirmation देता है. The volume will remain high during the formation of this pattern. The total formation of this pattern, यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक जो भी formation के pattern formation के time पे volumes will remain high. Again the price forms higher highs and lower lows in a broadening pattern. अगर we'll see the price is rising higher and it is going low, right? It is rising and it is forming new lows also. So higher highs and lower lows, thus broadening the range of trading. जो range है pattern की वो broaden होती जा रही है. Finally, gradually the trading range narrows down after the higher highs and the lows start trending upwards towards the formation of a diamond pattern. ये यहाँ पे जो lower lows हैं और जो higher highs हैं वो converge होते जाते हैं and the trading ranges finally narrowed down to confirm the formation of a prior uptrend. At this point, the trend is confirmed when the price finally gives a spurt, like moves in an uptrend and confirms the uptrend. It is an uptrend because the continuation diamond pattern is the bullish pattern which is formed, and thus at this point the continuation diamond pattern is formed. It is named continuation diamond pattern because the formation of the pattern which is made looks like a diamond. The duration of the trend, duration की अगर अपन बात करें तो the duration may last from few weeks to few months for its formation. इस पूरे पैटर्न को फॉर्म होने के लिए कुछ हफ्तों से लेके कुछ महीनों तक लग सकता है. The time required for its formation is equal to the time required to achieve its target. जितना time, larger the time required for its formation, larger is the time required for the pattern to achieve the target price. The volume is an important indicator at the formation of the confirmation of the trend. A buy signal is generated and there should be a volume breakout from the volume side as well. There are few criteria which support and refute this pattern. The first criteria that support is the support and resistance. At the lower points, as you can see it here, this is the support levels, the pattern test, and these are the resistance levels, this level and this level that the pattern is testing. So the pattern tests the support and resistance levels, and the criteria that refutes are low volumes during the formation of the pattern. If there are low volumes during the formation of the pattern may not be that reliable and we can't completely rely on the pattern. I hope I've made myself clear. This is all about continuation diamond pattern. Thank you.